Hi guys, Simple Techniques. So now we are going to turn on our budget PC, checking if everything is connected properly. Alright. Then yeah, looks like everything is ready and we're ready to power up. Okay, let's hope for the best. Here we go. Looks like everything is set. And bam. It turned on. It turned on. Now we are just waiting for the post. Hope everything is okay. Let's see. Hopefully everything is working. Alright, we got it. Okay, now so what we're going to do is we are going to format this drive because this drive has an empty drive. I think it's my old one from my previous build, so I'm putting this here. It's a 1 terabyte drive from Crucial P3 Plus. So since it can't boot because it doesn't have anything inside, we're going to be booting up with the USB that you just saw earlier. So here I'm selecting USB, and then we'll proceed to install the new Windows 11. So let's just boot up. Okay, go to BIOS. Alright, wait a while. And yes, it booted up on the USB Windows 11 installer. So we're gonna select World and then proceed to install.